Guys, if na me big brother do this thing, I go vex. Like, I go vex. So the big brother go hear my voice. And the reason why big brother did this is to, get that side of them that they've been hidden. Like, you must surely vex, that kind of thing. Even when they were doing all these things, I could even see the way when he was giving these ninjas bombastic side eye. I was like, waiting people that people that just want false content give these children. Like, what is all this? Since I no want do anything, make a show now. But I've told you people can't less time. These people are peaceful people. They like their communal life. Even though you vex them or maybe one of them vex each other, they just go behind them and say it and carry it in their mind. But people want them to open it out, like vex very well, but they don't want to. But that scream that they carried their food, if I say they go hungry this like today, who knows, maybe tomorrow, just to spike this people and make them talk. And some of them in the house, they'll be feeling like, okay, when we spoke out, when we talk, they'll be like, you guys are, they gave you strike. To the point that Handy even went to bring out the book to read about the whole strike thing. And now when they want to also reserve their anger, they will say, oh, you guys are not giving us content, stuff like that. So which one we go do again? If like say big brother don't they confused, or if you ask me, because what else do you want from these guys? The ones that are actually active, you subdued them with strike and they don't want to fall victim again. The ones where they even quiet, don't they quiet times two, the one where they before they enter the house. So which one they won't follow? So guys, this thing was just tiring. I saw it, I was like, now so the thing don't reach for big brother end. As in, since una no one talk, make I help una, open una mouth, talk, that kind of thing. So in case you don't understand what I'm speaking, I mean, like, since they don't want to do something serious, like entertain the viewers or bring up some ideas that will make the housemates or viewers, sorry, to be entertained, they tend to, people tend to start punishing them. When you're looking at the ninja self, they are just on the move. They are not even, blinking. They just do as they are being instructed, like move, collect anybody that has plates in their hand, anybody that has drink in their hand, anybody that has anything eatable, collect it and come out. That's just the rule from what I saw, the way they were moving. Like, even Anita was so pissed. You can even see it in her face. It's tough attempt to do the bombastic side eye thing, but it was just funny watching it. I was like, oh, big brother just wanted it by force. Since no one here, I've sent somebody inside this house. Here, two people don't want to hear. I've even tried to use it to talk to people. Here, two people don't want to hear. But then again, you just give some people strike. How do you want them to even start reacting? Because they'll be like, I don't know the one I'll do now. They will tell me, oh yeah, get out of the house. So they will tend to swallow all those things just because, it's your house. So that's the thing. If he had wanted more drama, I just wish he didn't evict Ruthie, so that we'll see the further drama that he wanted. But these people are peaceful people. You can't just stop them from living the kind of life they are living. They cannot fake it. I mean, some of them cannot fake it anyway. I mean, Sean almost burst laughing. I mean, in his mind, he was like, which kind of thing be this? This is actually funny, to the point of collecting our foods again, this time, big brother. Like, he reached to laugh, he reached to scream. I was like, big brother, you do this one, oh. So can we talk about Onyeka and Ozee again? Like, is it because of the whole staying together in the house? Very soon now she'll say it was Ozee that is trying to bring up all these things, blah blah blah. Now she was asking Ozee, am I the first person that you saw and noticed in the house? Stuff like that. That kind of, girly kind of question. So Ozee was like, no, you're not actually that, but you're my POI. So she responded, point of interest. I said, okay, I see. And then she knows that the guy has a girl outside. And then she's still trying to become more closer and closer. So what do you tend to achieve there? Is it for the game in the house? Okay, let me assume that is a strategy, game in the house, stuff like that. But then again, don't come and be saying that you're not catching feelings. The girl is catching feelings, if you ask me. The same as Ozee. But Ozee will keep respecting boundaries based on, say, I have a woman outside the house. And of course, just like I keep saying earlier, being in an enclosed space with people and you see them every day, you tend to start having some kind of likable feelings for that person. So me, I was in myself, I was like, okay, why is Onyeka asking this question? What do you want you to do? Like, if you watch that part, tell me what you think, guys, because me, I became confused. Okay, why are you asking him this question? What do you want him to me again? Okay, so if you're the first person he noticed, is it about Victoria? Abi Strebule just takes time hold Victoria. So Ozee was like, okay, it came natural because he doesn't like to incite interaction, but he noticed that the interaction between them was natural. Now, she may read meaning into that conversation in how he said, lawyers, there's a way they get things twisted. So she may think that it's in the other way around, while it is not that way. So tell me what you think, guys. Do you think that Ozee is catching feelings as well as Onyeka to catching feelings with Ozee? Because me now, I don't want to say things that people will start misunderstanding, but I know in myself that Onyeka actually likes Ozee, but she can't do anything about it again, given that he has somebody outside and he wouldn't want people to start seeing her in another dimension. So guys, if you've watched to this point, thank you guys so much, and if you're new here, please kindly click the subscribe and notification button. Let us be friends, and if you're an old subscriber, see you guys in my next video. Bye.